student, today we will discuss chapter number 6. Chapter number 6, linear inequalities. Linear inequalities. Okay student, first of all you have to understand linear inequality. You should understand what are the sign of inequality. Sign of inequality. Sign of inequality. So sign of inequalities are less than, greater than, less equal to, greater equal to, greater equal to, less equal to. All of you, these four signs are sign of inequality. So in whenever equation these signs put, that will be the linear inequation. All of you study linear equation in class 9. The standard form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is a linear equation because sign of equality, sign of inequality is here. Sign of inequality. If we are putting a sign of inequality in place of sign of equality, so it will be a linear inequation. It is a linear equation, and it is a linear inequation, So this is the difference between, only the difference is sign. Whatever sign is there, you have to write like that. If it is a sign of equality there, so you have to write equal. If it is a sign of inequality there, then you have to write unequal. So this is the reason. Now student, I am taking some example you can write like this: 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, less equal to 0. This is a inequation. And 4x minus 3y greater equal to 0. This is also a linear inequation. The type of the inequation is generally linear inequation. Or 5x, anything you can write. 5x plus 4 greater equal to 0, less equal to 0. These are the sign of inequation. So all of you, for linear inequations, you have to understand about intervals. In these intervals we discuss in our chapter set. So there are 4 types of interval, all of you. There are 4 types of interval. Closed interval. First interval is closed interval. CLOSED. Closed interval. So what type of interval will be closed? The type of the interval. The type of the interval will be closed, and this interval can be represented like AB is equal to, I am writing it in set builder form, belongs to R. This is roster form, this is set builder form, all of you. And this is the interval. This is a closed interval, all of you. This is a closed interval. In this interval, what you have to do, you have to draw points like this. AB is there, and this whole you have to draw from this dark circle will come here to this. This is the interval, all of you. This is the interval. Now next interval we have open interval. So what type of interval will be open, all of you? What type of interval will be open? So the type of the interval, like this. You can observe equal to sign is not here. Right now. So the type of the interval you can write like this: AB, such that x belongs to R for every a less equal to x less equal to b. This is a, and you have to draw like this. This is a and this is b. Open circle will come here, open circle, and here open. So you have to, this line will be dark. Between these 2 points. This is a open interval. Now semi-closed, semi-open. Next type of interval is semi-closed, semi-open. Semi-closed, semi-open. This is third type of interval. Semi-closed and semi-open. So the type of interval will be close here and open here. How you will write? This is close here. Big bracket will come this side. And open bracket will come this side, because this is open from this side. Now how we can write it, all of you, how we can write it? We can write it like this is its first part, because there are two type of semi-closed semi-open table. So we can write it like x such that such that x belongs to R, and where a less greater equal to, and yeah, we'll do like this. Yeah. And a second part, how you will draw this, all of you, how you will draw. This is A, this is B, so this will be dark, and this in between line will be dark, and this will be open. Yeah, this is semi open, semi close. And another type semi open, semi close is, it will be open from this side and close from this side. So how you can write it? This will be open from this, close. Big bracket is showing closed interval. X belongs to R, open, closed. All of you, these are the types of interval. You can copy. Now these are the type of interval. Now I am taking one or two question of the type from your syllabus, from your exercises. So exercise 6.1. In exercise 6.1, what we are doing, all of you, we have 24x less equal to 100. So in equations you have to take only in mind, whenever you have negative sign, then sign will be reversed. Otherwise it can be you can do it like you are doing linear equations. So this 24 will come this side, and after cancelling it out, it is coming 25/6. And first point we have given, x is a natural number. So you have to take natural number when you are 6 for the 24, now 1 6 1 ja. So it natural number should be less than, natural number should be 4.1. So you all knows it will till 4, because so therefore x is coming 1 2 3 4. Greater than 4 we can't take, because it is less than 4.1. So these are the natural number which is less than 4.1. Now at second point we have given x is an integer. So all of you, integers are less than 4.1. so you all knows all the negative integers is also less than this point. This is the question in this case. In this case, this is the answer. All of you, this is the question. Now question number 3 I am taking. Question number 2 is of the same type. Try it in your homework. 5x minus 3 less than 7. So first of all you can put 3 right hand side, so it will be come like this. Then 5x less than 10. Now you will divide every term by 5. So x less than 2. X less than 2 is coming. X less than 2. So its point is given, first point. Now he is asking like this. He is saying that x is an integer. X is an integer. So all integer less than 2 will come in this. So minus infinity to 0 will also come here, all of you. 0 will come also. Yeah, good. Now as the same way, 1 less than 2. So 2 will not come, because equal to sign is not here in it. And next term is x is a real number. So x is a real number. X is a real number. So second point, x is a real number. So all the fraction are also a real number. So how we can represent it? It will become from minus infinity to 2. Both side open bracket will come, because 2 is not included in it. its answer is minus infinity to 2. This is the answer. This is the answer, all of you. So we will do some more question in live class. Thank you very much.